guys, welcome back to Howard's World. It's Howard and today we have guests again. We have friends. We have
Jimmy.
And we have
Askia.
And today I have a challenge for them, right? So it's the trash to cash challenge. Is it me? Let me go for what we're going to turn to cash. Okay, the challenge is who can use the bottles and turn them into the most valuable or creative item. You see me? Let's go. Yeah. We're only going to use tape. Melissa, teach me how to do this in a way. Tape, paint, and cord. Rough scissors? And scissors. So yeah, but really and truly, I'm not sure how much bottle we have. So, we'll count them now.
All of this?
Yeah, we'll count them. Yeah, so here we go now. Time lapse starting now.
Miss, I am taking a break right now.
Alright, so 85, 65, 54. Yo. I'm not so savvy with the math. We have a whopping 204 bottles. So, alright, fun fact. Let me tell you how we get the bottle then. When Corona did start, I would dip on break. I'm never gonna do. I was just drinking my water bottle and I was like kind of basketball. Cause you know, we're athletic, so we just in one box. And then the box is started full, so I just was motivated to keep more bottles. I don't know if that makes sense. And then I did just go so boom, and I ended up having a lot of bottles. So I decided I'm not gonna waste them because we recycle around here. 204 divided by 3. 68, so each of us supposed to have
One more to achieve, man.
divided by 3.
One more, put one more.
Wait.
No.
204. Honestly, I took long to get that joke. I feel so slow down. So each of us have 68 bottles. So
I'm just gonna empty the rubbish.
yes, sir. Your phone. No, wait. That's not phone here.
Explain.
You must say. He's like, I'm going to empty the rubbish. What kind of a dumb joke, dog? Let's go. So guys, I feel like this video gonna be really chaotic. Not gonna lie, but we'll try to wrap it up. And we're trying to take long.
A wicked piece of ideas for the females. I'm doing it. Figure them.
Before we start, leave it in the comment section. Let me hear who you feel like I go have the best idea. Also, before we get into the creation of the items, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get it out there.
Yeah.
Howard's World. Let's go. When you finish, we're gonna judge based on creativity, usefulness, and the finish of it. If it do good.
Yeah.
So creativity, usefulness, and the finish of it, the overall finish. So let's go.
Let's go, sir.
Oh, you want tape?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not even lying. My mother, she probably go happy to the video though. No, she was annoyed dog. Why is so much sparkling here on? What she said? What she said? I'll carry on away. She said something like, I think she said rat. No dog, not rat. Rat go back there. Some go so.
Garbage.
No, but they were clean. They were just. I just watered it in them.
So rat no one clean house.
No, rat not go and clean house, rat go and dirty house. It's scientifically proven that rats go to dirty house. Like, you ever seen a body that say, rat there in my clean kitchen? No, them say rat there in the garbage, because the garbage dirty. Rat go where things there where them need. Point. That's the other one, point. I can't this with the fan.
Because I'm a creative.
You are a creative.
Don't feel me. It come back. No, it come.
You might go float.
Alright.
Wait a minute. Let me know real quick if on our team Howard Team Askia or Team Jimmy, right? If you do choose to go on Team Askia, remember to comment down below and let me know why. Because I'd really like to know why you choose Team Askia or Team Jimmy over Team Howard. Because I'm just the best at everything we do.
Really, actually?
No, because like,
Really, actually?
bro, I've been saving bottles since like March. Oh wait. Like how we're doing trash to cash? Tell me the most. Like tell me something. We're so like dirty, as in smutty, without being raw with it. So it's a trash to cash game. So because it's dirty, but because you're not raw with it, you cash it. Leave the slickest smutty comment you can. The slickest. I really want to see this. Grandma, if you're watching this, you don't need to participate in this part.
That's it, guys. Use your mouth.
It's a shake.
Shout out to Jimmy for just saying that's it, guys. Use your mouth. Says a lot. Supposed to have like a flex tonight, you know.
It's supposed to.
Supposed to have like a flex tonight. I can feel like you're cheat. I want your mother to see this. I'm not editing out that part. Yo, you know feel like the video along?
Yup. Ladies, just know say after I met this is for you.
Yeah. Dog, I don't know what you're making. Yo, this honestly look like a floating device. You're making a floaty for like me? Come to think of it. Yo, let's go. Come to think of it, that's not a bad idea, you know, to make a floaty for the beach. Askia make one raft.
No man. Yo, relax, no man. There's a planning stages, man.
You making a raft, boy. Yo, you can't have no secret item.
Yeah, man.
Wait.
Wait.
Everything, anything you have, everybody have to use it.
Yeah, man.
Where you have most of it?
Where have been that?
Let's find out.
No!
Baby, no.
Oh, you have wires, dog.
Yes!
Yo, Jimmy cheating. Jimmy have wires. Wait. Guys, Jimmy have wires, like actual binding wires. This nigga out here cheating.
Pliers.
Wires and pliers. Let's go. Wait, try him. Fires. Tires.
Myers.
Squires.
Buyers.
Liars.
Members.
Here, tires.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No win.
Beneficial to your life, ladies. Know that.
Right.
Alright. It's coming on well, you know.
Yes.
Shaman.
Shit.
I'm gonna take shortcut, man. Come on, man. Yo.
Oh, big up Electric 17, you see it?
Oh, you doing shout outs over here?
Yeah, man, cuz.
Alright, big up Electric same way. Wanna feel like the joke's name? Guys.
Oh, no, man. Hey! Yes!
Alright, if you feel like my joke's name, comment down below. And members of the can see the name of what comment.
Yes! Be bold. So there's no space up here.
Space is just a word made up by someone who is afraid to get. What? Close!
You're quick with that one, Daddy.
That was quick. Leave me breathless. I wish you'd shut up.
Don't follow my style now. Keep your
No
circular shape.
No one not
Keep your shape, keep your circular shape.
Nobody not follow your style. Nobody not
Keep it-
follow your
keep it.
style over here, so. Sorry.
Your nose big.
This nigga just attacked the nose. Look by your nose, dog. Yo, look what this nigga nose. Fam, bye.
My one only showing a different angles, man.
So you one of them catfish girls?
Don't do that.
You know the girl them on IG?
Don't do that.
Yo, me not lie, still you have some girls on IG now, bro.
Dangerous.
They're fire in a dog.
Dog, I
Yo, you go see them in a real life?
Bro.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you something,
Bro,
bro.
I'm gonna text this girl.
Bro, no. I'm gonna tell you something. Get a girl when she never planned to go up on the road. Right. Brother?
Wait, we catch them with the rollers and the setters and
Yeah, man. Get you when they never planned to go up on the road. You see me?
Y'all are beautiful. We appreciate you.
We just don't appreciate the lies.
Yeah.
And I mean, I'm not saying makeup is lies, but sometimes someone OD with the Photoshop ring. Cause I saw a girl, bro. On the gram, she's thick. In real life, she's thick.
Shape is just to reinforce it. Make sure it maintain it.
Yo, are you making a floaty?
Shut up! Man, stop trying. Me tell this for the ladies. Ladies, them can't hardly swim, dog. Them good, bro.
You see? You're doing foolishness. You're doing foolishness. Yo. Front time, look what Jimmy do. If you have some secret thoughts that you want to tell we about, but you're afraid. You see, you want to say 69 instead of 68?
Oh,
listen to me. Well, we are big people, and we just have to live with life, and we just have to do. Oh, quick promo. Jimmy does jewelry. Go over and follow Jimmy Jewels on Instagram. Jimmy Jewels on Instagram. All of my videos, I think I always have on like some fandangles on my hand. So they're always
CTR. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You're not by Jimmy. Me tell us you're hungry the back of them you can use.
Yeah.
You can't use nothing to help with the aesthetical, beneficial re of the thing. Condensation, precipitation.
The philosophy of the mitochondria.
The philosophy of the mitochondria
Hey.
as it relates to the overloading tube of the insides of the pendulum. Yo! Yo, that proves that the God science classes enough. But we don't understand what part. By the way, guys, I really like the support you've been showing me so far. Continue to share, continue to like, and get your friend, mother, sister, auntie, cousin, and our dog walker friend. Face subscribe. Get all of them. Yo! I know what you're making.
What am I making?
You know when you're swim and you want like a little flotation device on.
I don't know flotation device, brother.
For the ladies.
For the ladies, dog. You see me?
Ladies, when them tell me for the door like we make, just let we know in the
Listen, no.
in the comments.
No.
Let us know if it is
I am for the ladies. They will like it.
We've been here for over half an hour.
Yeah, man, we love each other. Bro.
That's crazy.
Yeah, girl. Let's go, man. It's forming. It's coming, girl. It's coming. Alright. I'm stuck at the moment, you know, but this will come out very handy for you. Don't forget that.
It's a deal there, Yannick.
Yo, look at the size of this thing. And Jimmy said,
Ma for ask. Alright. B, I got you now. I got you.
Watch it now.
Yes, you have glue.
yo, why? I'm making something for everybody.
What is that?
Shut up now.
What is that?
Shut up now. Alright. Yo, we see. It's kind of take long. So, let's judge it from right here. Let's judge it from right here.
Judge what?
What we have right now.
What I know?
Alright, you know what? Let's cut it. You ready?
Yeah.
No.
I am
That's the
ready.
being of the bang man yet.
We're not wait too long. Let's cut it to the end. And yeah, right now we're back. So we're done, challenge done, and this time because I remember in a party video, y'all thought that like my ratings were off. So I want you guys to rate down below. You see me? Creativity, usefulness, and the overall finish on how it look. You see me? So I'm going first because I run things. So my creation is a garbage bin because that's creative. You use garbage to make garbage bin. That makes so much sense. So we got a garbage bin here. It's pretty sturdy, you know? Garbage bin. We have the bottom sealed up. Some plastic bags down in it. And that's you. That's you. Let's go. I feel like this is the most useful one. But they can't hear what them have.
Alright, first of all, make an awesome. You can use
Talk to them, talk to them.
Anyway, you can sit down. Anyway. Look at this. This is a rose growing from a concrete, as Skillybed said. Look at that. Would you ever see a man behind him? Right.
Yo. Valentine's Day.
Oh,
I'm
no.
making this with all the love in my heart, giving her this, you know. So big up yourself.
Ladies, recently this controversial topic about this Birkin bag, you know, and I can create something for them. So, for the ladies that are up in age and normally go to the market and say you want a market bag but yet still fashionable, I got it. But for the young girl them, we just want to step up with their man, I got you.
Birkin! Birkin!
You see it?
Birkin!
Yes, right here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sturdy.
Yes, sir.
This. Yes, look at the strap, look at the strap.
Put some that OC, put some that OC.
How much a pound for pumpkin? 100? Alright. Whoa.
Whoa!
Put a Richard Silver's 9 already.
Whoa. Two strap. Sturdy.
Give me a shoulder look.
Sturdy!
Alright, guys. Remember, you're commenting for usefulness, creativity, and overall finish. You see me? Let's see who win and do it in order. So first, we're going to start with Howard, then tell me who comes second. Guys, thanks for watching. This is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, get it out there. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard
Send to tell a friend.
Let's go. Bye, guys.
Peace out.